So in this video, first of all, I will explain you exactly when to open a buy, when to open a sell, and when to exit a trade. And in the second part, I will show you how many number of trades it open, how much buy, sell, what are the win ratio, how much it make money, and everything. And then at the final part, I will reveal the settings of the indicators, exactly what I am using. I spent almost 10 hours to do backtest, the analysis, and to record this video for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I am your host Abdul. So let's move to my screen, and here you can see on the chart the indicator is applied Supertrend X4, and here is a logistic difference. These two indicators are applied on it, and I am using the free version of TradingView, so anyone can use this strategy. You will apply these two indicators on your chart. So let me open the settings, the style. Okay, you need to apply this same indicator on your chart and this logistic different indicator. Here you can see this name. To open a buy trade, we have to wait for this signal. This is the first long signal, and then we will wait for this second signal, and at that point we will look for the logistic difference, if it's a green or red. If it's a green, we will open buy. If red, we will open sell. Okay, here if it's a red, we will not open buy trade. Okay, we will look for the direction of this closed candle. The last closed candle should be bullish and bearish for the sell trade. So here all these conditions are fulfilled, so I will open a buy trade here simply on the closing of this candle. So first of all, we will set the SL of this second line, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio here, and that's it. These are two things to close a trade. Either a trade can be closed with the SL or TP. One more rule that we will use to close a trade: we will close a trade immediately when we got this first sell signal. Okay, so for example, this trade will be closed on the closing of this red candle. That's it. On every trade I will take $10 risk. If a trade close with SL, I will face a loss of $10, and if it hit TP, I will get $15 in profit. So now next I will be looking for the next signal. I will wait. Here is the sell side. Yes, reconfirmation. The bearish candle, exactly. Yes, I will open a sell trade here at the closing of this candle, and the SL will be at the higher line, and the TP with 1.5 risk to reward ratio here. Okay, and this trade is closed on the next first signal. Like here is the first buy signal, and this sell trade will be closed here in some loss. And now let's move to the second part of this video, where I will do back testing and show you the result, how many number of trades it open, how much are winning, how much are losing, overall how much it make profit. So let's start the back test process. So now here are the final results. You can see the list of trades here, and here in the analytics. Now you can see all these analytics carefully. The total net profit it made $462 with the drawdown of $41. So there are the maximum balance goes down minus $41, and total profit it made $462. The profit factor 1.75. Win rate is 51.2% with a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Total trades it's open 203, total buy 110, 93 are sell, and all these other things you can check. Here the most important thing is graph, how the graph is going upward. but most of the time you will see some drawdown area like here, and at these points most of the beginners give up, and after that the pro trader consistently trading, and they start making profit, while at this point the beginners or give up and they just stop trading. Okay, so never stop trading. Even in this situation, you can see here is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth number of losing trades in a row, and after that it start making some profit, again losses, again some profit, losses, and after that it start making more profit consistently and go up. Below here you can see the profit and loss distribution trade by trade. Here we can see the average number of trades closed with the loss and profit. Here you see there are very few trades closed with the SL, and most of the losing trades are closed with the opposite signal, how much win buy, how much win sell side. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now finally let's move to the final part of this video where I will reveal the settings, exactly what I am using. So here first of all let me show you the settings of Supertrend X4W/cloud fill. I will open the settings, and here are the settings. You need to set the same settings, and here is the style. You can check and all other uncheck. You can stop the video and do the setting. Okay, and the visibility, that's fine, simply press OK. And here for the logistic difference, the settings are, you can use these same settings, uncheck these things and check. You need to apply the same settings so you could see the same screen as mine. I'm sure this video saved you a lot of time and you got the final results without spending any minute on the analysis side. I'm doing all this stuff free of cost for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.